Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, we're diving into Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With so many users and a vast array of features, you might be wondering, is Binance really worth it? Let's find out what's behind the hype, what kind of users it works best for, and whether it makes sense for beginners, active traders, or people who simply want access to more crypto options. Binance is primarily a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of digital currencies. What stands out immediately is its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, over 500. This makes it appealing for users looking to diversify their portfolios, especially if they want access to popular coins, newer altcoins, and different trading pairs all in one place. For someone who does not want to jump between multiple platforms, this variety can be a major advantage. The platform is designed for both beginners and seasoned traders, featuring a straightforward interface for newbies and advanced trading tools for experienced users. However, the user experience can feel overwhelming at first. Navigating through the different features like futures trading, staking, and margin trading requires a bit of a learning curve. For example, a beginner may only need the basic buy and sell option, while an advanced trader might explore charting tools, limit orders, leverage options, or staking opportunities. The key is to start simple and avoid using advanced features until you fully understand the risks involved. Additionally, Binance offers a mobile app that mirrors much of the desktop experience, which is a plus for on-the-go trading. This is useful if you want to monitor prices, check your portfolio, or place trades while away from your computer. One area that feels a bit unclear is their fee structure. While they advertise low trading fees, the costs can add up with withdrawals and other transactions. Transparency about these fees could definitely improve user trust, especially for users who want to calculate the full cost before moving money in or out of the platform. So what are the pros and cons of using Binance? On the positive side, the sheer variety of cryptocurrencies and trading options is impressive. The platform also offers robust security features, including two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist options, which help protect your assets. These features are especially important in crypto because users are responsible for securing their own accounts. Setting up strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and using withdrawal whitelist options can add an extra layer of protection. However, there are some significant drawbacks. Users have reported frustrations with customer service response times, especially during high traffic periods. This can become stressful if you are dealing with account verification, withdrawal delays, or urgent trading issues. Additionally, Binance has faced regulatory scrutiny in various countries, which raises some trust concerns. If you're looking for a platform with easily accessible support, you might want to consider alternatives, especially if customer service and regulatory clarity are top priorities for you. Also, while the trading fees are competitive, the unclear withdrawal fees can be a turnoff for some users who prefer straightforward pricing. This matters because even if trading fees look low, withdrawal costs, network fees, and conversion charges can affect your overall experience. A good tip is to always review the fee details before making a transaction, especially if you plan to withdraw crypto regularly or move funds between wallets. In conclusion, Binance can be a great choice for experienced traders and those looking for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. However, if you're a beginner or someone who values customer support highly, it may be worth exploring other options. Overall, just be cautious and do your research before diving in. Start with the basic features, understand the risks, check the fees carefully, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.